Welcome to the future of farming. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 John Deere, its cutting-edge exterior, modern interior, and powerful performance. Is this the best tractor yet? Let's find out. 1. Exterior. Host. John Deere has redefined tractor design for 2025. The iconic green and yellow color scheme remains, but with a sleeker, more aerodynamic body. The front grille is larger for better cooling, and the new LED headlights improve visibility during night operations. The heavy-duty tires provide better grip on all terrains, and the redesigned fenders now offer improved mud protection. Plus, John Deere has added more durable body panels to enhance longevity in harsh environments. 2. Interior. Host. Step inside, and you'll find one of the most advanced tractor cabins ever. The ergonomic seat now features improved cushioning and climate control, ensuring comfort during long hours in the field. The biggest highlight, a fully digital 12-inch touchscreen display with John Deere's latest precision ag technology. This system provides real-time GPS mapping, automated guidance, and performance analytics, helping farmers increase efficiency like never before. The new joystick control makes maneuvering effortless, and yes, voice-activated commands are now part of the experience. Simply say a command, and the tractor responds instantly. 3. Performances. Host. Under the hood, the 2025 John Deere packs a next-generation diesel hybrid engine, delivering more power while improving fuel efficiency. With up to 400 horsepower, this machine handles even the toughest farming tasks with ease. The improved suspension system absorbs shocks, making fieldwork smoother than ever. Plus, John Deere's AutoTrack technology ensures precise steering, reducing operator fatigue. 4. Conclusion. Host. So, is the 2025 John Deere the ultimate tractor? With its modernized exterior, tech-packed interior, and powerful yet efficient performance, it's clear that John Deere is pushing the boundaries of agricultural innovation. If you're a farmer looking for reliability, cutting-edge technology, and maximum productivity, this might be the machine for you. Host. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tractor reviews. See you next. Would you like any modifications or additional details?